Hello, beautiful queens and handsome kings. You're so welcome to Cassia Naturals, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make sage hibiscus hairspray for hair thinning, prevent hair loss, to darken your hair naturally, to promote hair growth. So we are going to use sage and hibiscus. As you can see, subscribe to our channel if you're new, and to my 378 subscribers, thank you so much, dear friends, and give this video a like. So sage prevents hair loss. Sage has been used since ancient times. Sage has been highly popular for making the hair strong and prevent hair loss. The herb contains high amounts of beta-sitosterone, sulfur reductase compound, which is highly efficacious in the treatment of more bald pattern. So the use of sage can impart a healthy glow to the hair, making it appear shiny. Sage can help control and treat dandruff, and it will stimulate hair growth as well. So sage does not only, prevent hair loss, but it also rejuvenates and strengthens the hair follicles. The use of sage can also boost blood circulation in the scalp, increasing the supply of nutrients to hair follicles. Therefore, regular use of sage can help revitalize the hair, helping manage the problem of hair thinning. It also helps to unclog the hair follicles. Sage is going to help darken your hair. Sage contains pigments that can darken gray hair naturally. So sage contains tannins that act as hair dye. It acts as a lotion. The use of sage can help improve hair texture, making it soft and manageable. And it also acts as a setting lotion. So prepared using sage can penetrate the hair and wake from the inside. Sage will also prevent dandruff. So it possesses antioxidants properties, so it can help scalp, infections, and it can also help with excessive oil secretion, causing problems like dandruff and itchy scalp. So hibiscus also acts as an astringent. It can also help treat dandruff and itchy scalp. So hibiscus also can control premature graying, or like early uh, graying. Yes. So the antioxidants and vitamins present in hibiscus still help in producing melanin. So the naturally occurring pigment that gives hair its natural color, and this prevent premature graying. It also helps maintain hair luster and color. So these two powerful, herbs will actually increase thickness and reduce hair loss. So they also act as astringent, because the oil, which is actually secreted by the sebaceous, which is sebum, with its natural, antimicrobial properties, consists also using these herbs will curb the growth of dairy, causing fungus on the scalp and prevent the occurrence of dandruff. So subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed. Consider subscribing and click on that red subscribe button, and comment in the section below, dear friends, if you are going to use sage and hibiscus for hair loss, or preventing baldness, to darken your hair, or to prevent, early graying, and to stimulate growth, because both herbs are good for stimulating hair growth. Yeah, so that is how it looks like. I'm so happy that color, because both sage and hibiscus have a good color, which is so good. Like whatever God made is so perfect. So you have to make sure that you use this treatment or moisturizer frequently, for you to see the results. It's not something that you can use just once and then you go like it doesn't work. You need to be consistent, like use it once per week, or in between your washes. It's going to moisturize your hair without manipulating your hair. You can also use it as a rinse out. So at this point, I'm ready to apply it in my hair. But of course, I'm in a protective hairstyle. If you've been on this channel, I'm in a challenge of 6 months of twist protective hairstyle. And I just thread, not thread, use a cotton thread to put the twists together so that I can style them very well. So I'm going to apply it on the scalp as well as on the hair. So like the spray wasn't working, I had to change it. Yes, so now I'm excited because it's working. Yes, so comment in the section below, dear friends, are you going to try out this hairspray, powerful hairspray for hair growth, thinning hair? So like if you're struggling with thinning hair, this spray is going to work. If you want to darken your hair naturally, this spray is going to work. If you want to stimulate hair growth, this spray can work. Yes, so it's good, like it's been used for many centuries in Ayurveda. Yes, and I've been using sage and hibiscus for quite some time, and like my hair has been strengthened. I'll link other videos in the description box below. So are you going to try out? Bye bye. God bless you. I'll see you in our next video.